Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to rotate picture in Excel. So rotating a picture in Excel is pretty straightforward using either your mouse or the ribbons tool. So for this, you need to select the picture you want to rotate and then click and drag the rotation handle, the circular arrow icon at the top of the image in any direction like this one. So if you want to rotate the picture to the 15 degree, then select the picture and hold the shift key and rotate the from rotate handle. So picture is rotating 15 degree exactly whenever you drag it with the shift key and mouse key. Moreover, if you need a perfect right angle or a mirror image, then click the picture and head to the picture format. So in the arrange group, click rotate, and here is the rotate 90 degree. When you click that, the picture will rotate 90 degree, and it is rotate left to 90 degree, and this is flip vertically, and this is flip horizontally. So I'll select to rotate 90 degree. So if you want exact degree rotation for a specific angle, for example 45 degree, so click the picture and go to the picture format. Now click the rotate icon and click on the more rotation option. And in the rotation box, click inside and type the 45 degree and hit enter. And here you can see that picture has been rotated to the 45 degree. So this way you can easily rotate picture in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.